Cats have been domesticated for thousands of years and have established a close bond with humans. As a result, they have developed certain behaviors that show their affection and dependence on their owners. One of the most common behaviors seen in cats is rubbing against their owners. This behavior is not only endearing but also serves an important purpose in their social and emotional lives. Let's delve into why cats rub against humans and what it means for their relationship with us. Cats are known for their independent and often mysterious behavior, but one of the most common and affectionate actions they do is rubbing against their humans. Have you ever wondered why your furry friend does this? In this video, we'll dive into the science behind why cats love to rub against you. Firstly, it's important to understand that cats have scent glands all over their bodies, particularly on their cheeks, forehead, and chin. These glands produce a pheromone, a chemical substance that acts as a form of communication between cats. When they rub against you, they are essentially marking you with their scent, claiming you as a part of their territory. But it's not just about claiming territory. Cats also use rubbing as a way to show affection. When they rub against you, they are depositing their scent on you as a way of saying you belong to me and I trust you. It's their way of showing that they feel comfortable and safe with you. Additionally, rubbing also serves as a way for cats to gather information about you. Cats have a highly sensitive sense of smell, and by rubbing against you, they can pick up on your scent and learn about your daily activities. This is particularly important for cats living in the wild, as they use this information to navigate their surroundings and avoid potential dangers. But what about those moments when your cat rubs against you and then immediately walks away? Well, that's because cats also use rubbing as a way to transfer their scent onto you. This is often seen when a new cat is introduced to a household, and the resident cat will rub against the new cat to exchange scents and establish a sense of familiarity. So the next time your cat rubs against you, remember that it's not just a display of affection, but also a way for them to communicate, gather information, and mark their territory. By understanding the science behind this behavior, we can better appreciate our feline friends and deepen our bond with them. Cat rubbing, also known as bunting, is a common behavior displayed by cats. It involves a cat rubbing their head, face, or body against an object, surface, or person. This behavior is a way for a cat to leave their scent and mark their territory. Cats have scent glands on their cheeks, forehead, and chin, known as facial pheromones. When they rub against an object, these glands release pheromones, which leave their scent behind. This serves as a form of communication, as cats can identify each other by their unique scents. Cat rubbing can be seen in various contexts, such as when a cat greets their owner, when they are happy and content, and when they are marking their territory. It is also a way for cats to get familiar with their surroundings and create a sense of security. When a cat rubs against their owner, it is a sign of affection and trust. They may rub their head or body against their owner's legs or hands, indicating that they are comfortable and happy in their presence. This behavior can also serve as a request for attention or food. In multi-cat households, cats may rub against each other as a way to establish their social hierarchy. The dominant cat may rub against the other cats to assert their dominance and mark their territory. This behavior is also seen in outdoor cats, who may rub against trees, fences, or other objects in their territory. Cat rubbing can also be a self-calming behavior. When a cat is feeling stressed or anxious, they may rub against objects to release pheromones and create a familiar scent in their surroundings. This can help them feel more secure and reduce their stress levels. Overall, cat rubbing is a natural behavior that serves several purposes, including communication, marking territory, and expressing affection. It is an important part of a cat's daily routine and is a sign of a content and secure feline. Cats are territorial animals and use a variety of methods to mark and communicate their territory. One of the most important ways cats do this is through the use of pheromones. Pheromones are chemical substances that are released by animals, including cats, to communicate with others of their species. Cats have several different types of pheromones, each with a specific purpose. The most common type is the facial or cheek pheromone, also known as the friendly pheromone. This pheromone is released through glands located on the cat's face and is used to mark objects and people in their territory as safe and familiar. When a cat rubs its face on an object or person, it is depositing this pheromone to signal that it is in a friendly and safe environment. Another type of pheromone is the interdigital pheromone, which is released from glands on the cat's paw pads. This pheromone is used to mark their territory by leaving a scent trail as they walk, and also to signal to other cats in the area that the territory is occupied. Cats also have pheromones that are specific to their urine, called the urine-marking pheromones. These are released in the cat's urine and are used to mark their territory and communicate their presence to other cats. Male cats, especially, will use this method to mark their territory and attract females. In addition to marking their territory, cats also use pheromones to communicate with other cats. When a cat is feeling stressed or anxious, it may release a pheromone from its facial glands that signals to other cats in the area that it is feeling uneasy. This can help to prevent potential conflicts between cats and promote a sense of calm in the environment. Pheromones also play a role in the social hierarchy of cats. When a new cat is introduced into a household, the resident cats may release pheromones to assert their dominance and establish their place in the hierarchy. This can help to prevent aggressive behavior and promote harmony among the cats. Cats also use pheromones to communicate with their owners. The friendly pheromone that is released through facial rubbing has a calming effect on cats and can help to make them feel more comfortable and bonded with their owners. This is why cats will often rub against their owner's legs or faces when they are feeling content or seeking attention. In summary, cats use pheromones to mark their territory, communicate with other cats, and establish social hierarchies. These chemical signals play a crucial role in maintaining a sense of security and familiarity in a cat's environment. Understanding how cats use pheromones can help owners provide a more comfortable and stress-free environment for their feline companions. Rubbing and bonding have a strong connection, as rubbing is often used as a gesture to show affection and form a stronger bond with someone. This can be seen in various species, including humans, where physical touch and rubbing can create a sense of intimacy and connection. Cats choosing to rub against their owners is a significant behavior that showcases their trust and affection. Cats have scent glands on their faces and bodies, and rubbing against their owners allows them to mark their territory and spread their scent, which is a way of showing ownership and loyalty. Rubbing can also be a display of trust and affection in animals. For example, dogs will often rub their bodies against their owners or lean into them as a way to show their love and trust. In some species, such as primates, grooming and rubbing against each other is a crucial aspect of forming and strengthening social bonds. In humans, rubbing can also have a significant impact on bonding. Simple gestures like a hug or a pat on the back can create a sense of closeness and connection. Rubbing and massaging can also have therapeutic effects, releasing hormones that promote feelings of trust, safety, and bonding. Rubbing can also have cultural significance, as seen in rituals like handshakes, embraces, and forehead-to-forehead greetings. These acts of rubbing can symbolize respect, trust, and friendship, further highlighting the connection between rubbing and bonding in human relationships. In the video, it was discussed that cat rubbing behavior is a form of communication and territorial marking. Cats rub against objects and people as a way to leave their scent and claim ownership of their space. It is important for cat owners to pay attention to their cat's body language to understand what they are trying to communicate. Rubbing can also be a way for cats to show affection and bond with their owners. It is recommended to allow cats to feel comfortable and secure in their environment to prevent any unwanted or excessive rubbing behavior. Owners should also be mindful of their own behavior, such as not punishing or shooing away a cat when they rub against them, as this can be seen as a negative response to their communication. Overall, understanding and respecting a cat's rubbing behavior can help strengthen the bond between a cat and its owner. Cats use rubbing behavior as a way to mark their territory and claim ownership over objects or people. They have scent glands on their face and body that release pheromones when they rub against something. Rubbing can also indicate affection and a desire for attention from their owners. It is important to pay attention to a cat's body language and respect their boundaries when they are rubbing or displaying other behaviors. Cats may also rub as a form of self-grooming or to relieve anxiety. Overall, rubbing is a natural and normal behavior for cats, and understanding it can help strengthen the bond between cats and their owners. In summary, the video discussed how cat rubbing behavior is a form of communication and bonding. It can indicate affection, territorial marking, and social hierarchy. It is important for cat owners to pay attention to their cat's body language and understand their individual preferences for rubbing. This can help strengthen the bond between cat and owner and improve the overall well-being of the cat. Remember to subscribe for more cat-related content and continue learning about your feline friends' behaviors.